97.1 FM, The Drive, Chicago's classic rock. I'm Sherman. That's Tingle.
Saw an interesting story out of Utah. A man in Utah was driving around town all day in his gray GMC truck, and he kept getting strange looks from everyone that passed him. So what happened? Well, when he got home, he found out his girlfriend pulled a prank on him and put a bumper sticker on his car that said, "I want my foreskin back."
Well,
So, naturally, and it reminded me of you, because I've done this to you before.
okay, thanks for putting that at the end of that, of what you just said. It reminded me of you, Sherman.
No.
What does that mean?
It reminded me of the time I put a bumper sticker in your car, and you didn't know when people were honking at you.
Yeah, I can't even say what Tingle put on the back of the Ford Explorer I was driving.
He does something with goats.
And honk, if you agree. And all these people are behind me honking. I'm like, what the hell? And I'm giving him the finger. I'm like, what? I didn't do anything. I didn't find out till I got home. I was on the Kennedy. And I don't even know how many people saw this bumper sticker on the back of my car. I'm like, oh, okay, all right. It's war then. I see how it is.
Yeah, so when I saw that story and then reminiscing of what I've done in the past, it got me thinking, is it legal to stick something on someone else's car? Is that a crime to put one of those stickers on someone's car?
I'm sure you could sue for it. If I was really uptight about that, I'm sure I could have sued you. It would have been awkward the next day at work. Tingle, I'm taking you to court. You know what? Let's ask somebody that would know that answer.
Here comes Howard Aiken.
Yeah! Here comes Howard Aiken.
Oh! Here comes Howard Aiken.
Our good friend Howard Aiken. Injury law made personal. That's Aiken Law. Hey, good morning, Howard Aiken.
I'm listening to your program this morning. I never heard that Here Comes Howard Aiken. I love it.
Oh, it's a new jam for you, baby.
Yeah. It was Stevie Wonder pulled that off for us. So thank you so much, Stevie Wonder. Now, what's the legality on that, Howard?
In Illinois, is that a crime?
Oh, you can't do that. You know, if it was legal at every pharmacy, they'd be selling you in the checkout line a sticker that said, I hate how you parked here.
Tingle actually has things like that. He has what is it? It's like
it's a business card, and you put it in their windshield wiper. So learn how to park a-hole or something like that.
Like that's just asking for a fight.
That's great. So what is the crime, and what's the punishment?
Well, you can't do that. You're gonna be defacing somebody else's property when you put a sticker on. Now, maybe that girlfriend. I don't know if somebody's going to prosecute that case, but you definitely can't put a sticker on somebody else's car.
Okay, I understand that if you put it on paint and they try to pull it off, there might be some damage. But what if I do what I did and put it on windows? It's not going to do any damage. It's easy to pull off.
That's an interesting question. When people go around and they, put advertisements on your car and they leave it on the windshield, like at the, at the big box store parking lot. I don't even think you could do that. You really can't put something else on somebody's car.
Interesting. And is it a misdemeanor? It's not a felony, right? It can't be a felony.
Well, I'm a civil lawyer, so, I get people compensation for wrongs that are done by another person.
Sherman's going to sue me.
Yeah. So I don't really know what the compensation is that somebody would get for, putting a sticker on a car. Although if the car got damaged, as you say, then maybe there might be enough significance to it. But, I don't know unless somebody, I don't know that the case is going to get prosecuted with all the different types of cases that we have to be prosecuted. But I think if somebody was really willful in how they did that, just the hassle of going through being charged with a crime, people don't want that in their life.
Right. Okay.
This is kind of off the beaten path, but it's similar, and I'm not sure if you'll have the answer, but it reminded me of it when you guys were talking about it, like with messing with the car, like with the sticker. So many people on job sites, and our stations listen to on so many job sites. My brother. What was it? One of his guys tied pans to the axle.
So they drove away, bang.
So it's bang. It's like things are dragging all over the place. Does that fall into that as well, Howard Aiken? If
there was damage, probably.
Yeah, you could probably sue for that. I'm assuming, correct?
Yeah, let's just say this in general. We don't want to be vandalizing other people's stuff. People are going to be upset by that.
All right. We
Just want to get the official word from Howard.
Yeah, we probably knew the answer, but you never know. Sometimes there's a loophole, so I don't know. But hey, thank you so much for taking time and hanging out with us today, Howard. Injury Law Made Personal. That's Ankin Law. You can call him at 312-6-million. You had the Here Comes Howard Ankin. You know that there's another one?
No, what's the other one? I
There
like
go-
the first one. Though.
There goes Howard Ankin.
There goes Howard Ankin. There goes Howard
Got a lot to do. He's a lawyer.
Ankin.
We don't have time to hang out with us all day. All
Thanks,
right.
Howard.
Yeah, thanks so much, Howard.
I love it. I'm here to help if anybody needs me. Thanks for calling me, guys.